Talquisnat Tamanzamanat to Sink Display, Law Masista. Talquisnat Tamanzamanat to Sink Display, Law Masista.
It's an honor to have artwork here at the waterfront for everybody to see. It's an important pull for us.
To be able to come today and to acknowledge our place as the original peoples who lay the foundation for what is today the city of Seattle is fundamentally important. Pay attention to the road signs denoting where we are. That's what our people have known this land as for hundreds of generations and thousands of years. That means the little crossing over place, and it's ironic where we stand because it refers almost specifically to right where we're at. The translation of Didzalal is very literal. It was the places which you could cross dry land to get to other areas.
I really believe that this is a product of love and collaboration. The people that worked on this project, many of them grew up together on a reservation, and they were able to come back together as adults to really make a great presentation of our culture and history here on the waterfront.
We are very excited and honored to be here to celebrate Oscar Tuazon's artwork titled To Our Teachers and the installation of 2 indigenous cedar carvings, one by Tyson Simmons and Keith Stevenson of the Muckleshoot Indian Tribe, and the other by Randi Purser of the Suquamish Tribe. I hope these artworks encourage visitors to reflect on how we as a city and a region hold space for indigenous communities, not just in our past, but in our future.
This area is a giant hub for the Pacific Northwest. This has been an area where people would come from all over to trade, to gather and celebrate like we're doing today. This structure is a framework or a skeleton of a traditional longhouse. It's a contemporary take on that. So this piece is supposed to serve as a reminder that Seattle has been Muckleshoot's homeland since time immemorial, and we're welcoming visitors coming from all over to our home.
Talquisnat Tamanzamanat to Sink Display, Law Masista, Law Masista, Law Masista.